are going to clean and cook some chitlins the right way. When I say the right way, I mean like my way. I'm pretty sure other people do it differently, and I don't care because I'm not eating your food. So I know everyone has something to say about chitlins, how I'm nasty, and oh, you can't believe I eat shit, and that's the one food that they refuse to eat. Guess who don't care? Me. I love chitlins. It comes with the holidays. Listen, I'm not going to encourage you to eat like a fucking chitlin pizza, but if you eat chitlins, then watch my video. If you don't, you can leave now, baby. Ain't nobody stopping you. So I went on Instagram to see what the world is talking about, and a lot of people eat chitlins and cook them a different way. They have even tried to like simplify chitlins by putting it in like a chitlin loaf that you can buy, and they have like chitlin seasoning if you don't know what to use. I don't know. I don't use none of that shit. So to each his own. I even seen a woman on Instagram selling her cleaning chitlin skills. So basically, she's charging motherfuckers to clean their chitlins for the holiday season. That's how real this shit is. Now, I know a lot of you only eat chitlins during Christmas or Thanksgiving or New Year's, whatever. People eat chitlins all year round. Like some of them eat it fried, crispy like chicken. So I'm assuming they put it in flour or egg. I don't know. Some people make it a soup. So it's like chitlin and noodles. So like a chitlin noodle soup. Okay. Some people eat it over stir fry with like jasmine rice. However you eat it, the shit must be cleaned. Now, I know the Queen Nella has the heat and eat super clean, already cooked chitlins. I don't trust that shit. It does not exist. There's no way in hell somebody super cleaned and cooked no chitlins for you in a factory. Get it out your head. What you do need is hot sauce. Like, hot sauce is a must. Hot sauce and chitlins go together. Like peanut butter and jelly. Get your garlic, your vinegar, your potato, your seasoning, your salt, your pepper, your seasoning salt, your crushed red pepper, your hot sauce, your butter, and then some cold water, your kitchen shears, and a plastic bag for your trash. People are scared of the bucket. The bag versus bucket is the biggest thing. Get whatever you want. The bucket is dirtier, though. I can't admit. Chitlin time! What time is it? Chitlin time. What time is it? It's just like it looks. Why would someone want to eat this? These are my kitchen chairs. Why would someone want to? Oof, look at that. That's shit. My sister likes shit left behind. Like some people like their squeaky clean. I like my squeaky clean. I met a lady down here in Georgia. She leaves shit behind on hers too. She said it gives it flavor. Shitty flavor makes it better. Like the lining is enough for me. I don't, even though I had the lady chitlins before, they were delicious. And like I said, my sister likes some left behind as well. And I learned that on accident. One day we were cooking for like Thanksgiving or something, Christmas a few years ago. And I was like, ooh, who wants to help clean the chitlins? She didn't volunteer, so I gave her an assignment because that's what I do to people. So her assignment was to help clean the chitlins. So we cleaned the chitlins, and me being who I am, I went over them about 5,000 times, and I seen little speckles of shit. And I was like, what is that? And she was like, oh, I like to leave behind a little fat. That's on you. Who am I?
What? Drop that. Drop. What? Drop that. Drop that. What? Drop that. Drop that. What? Drop that. Drop that.
That's all. Are you close enough? Can they see this?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. Here is just like the chitlin. I wanted you guys to see me actually removing that film or skin or whatever. It feels like plastic. I like to grip it really good and kind of get a hold of it so it's just one piece, and I just pull it. Sometimes I pull the chitlin, sometimes I pull the film. Whatever is the easiest way to get it off. Almost done. It's only one bucket though. So here I'm just going on a rant on how everyone I know and that comes over to eat claims they don't eat chitlins, and oh, they stink, they're nasty, they can't believe I eat them. So then I do shit like only make 10 pounds, and then everyone comes over and they want chitlins, and oh my god, let me taste the chitlin. I vowed to make 40 pounds of chitlins for Christmas for us, and I told a friend I would cook her 10 pounds, and I told another friend I would clean her 10 pounds and she could cook them herself. And I'm actually looking forward to my shitty Christmas. So I'm done. A quick little 10 pounds. This is all trash. It may look like chitlins, but it's not. It's fat and trash and shit. This is what they should look like. Even though I'm about to go through them again and re-clean them and do it one more time. This is just vinegar and cold water. So I'm going to do it one more time and I'm going to come back. trash. I be seeing people cook and season this shit. This is trash. This is what they hit with, guys. This is my second clean. This is what I found in the second clean. So I did pretty good with the first clean. That's just some extra trash shit that belongs in there with the first set of trash. This is what the pot came out. What's that? One little chitlin. That's clean. In my mind, I'm like, I wonder if I could sell chitlin water. That would be good.
Six and a half hours later. A few inches later.
So mine's is still soaking. I know I told y'all 20, 30 minutes, but you could soak it for as long as you like. And I got one medium potato and an onion. So basically, I just cut up my potato, my onions. I'm not a person that cares about the size and oh, this one is and I only used half of an onion because like I said, I only have 10 pounds of chitlins and I don't want a bunch of onions and a bunch of potatoes. I would like to taste my chitlins. So this is all that I'm going to use. And I put the chitlins in a pot of water. They're going to boil. And then I'm going to pour this water out and rinse them with cold water. I added all my seasonings, all my spices, my butter. I brought it to a boil and then turned it on low. Cook it slow and low. And them things is going to be tender and good. The hot sauce is what gives it that color. But if you don't want to add the hot sauce, you don't have to. So enjoy your chitlins and stop acting like they are the worst thing on the planet. Some of y'all done had worse shit in y'all mouth.